Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks for joining me today. And Happy New Year! It's January 1st, 2024, and it's time to share our new subscriptions for the month. So let's jump in and take a look. We have several subscriptions here at Pink and Maine, and the first one I'm going to go over is our Stamp and Die of the month. So you can subscribe to our Stamp of the month and you get a 4x6 stamp set automatically charged to your account on the 10th of the month, and then we ship it to you. The Stamp and Die of the month will get you that 4x6 stamp set along with the coordinating dies. So you could do either one if you wanted just the stamp, or if you wanted the stamp and the dies, you do the Stamp and Die of the month. This month is called Chicken Soup. Everyone knows someone that's sick this time of year, so this is a perfect stamp set for those get well wishes. We have a bowl of chicken noodle soup and some crackers, a little bottle of pills, some Band-Aids, some Kleenex, and a spoon for your soup. The sentiments say, ouch, sending hugs, kisses, and get well wishes. Hope you heal super fast. Hope you feel better soon, get well soon, take care. Here's to a speedy recovery, thinking of you and wishing you well, and take it easy. It's a super cute set as well. So this is the Stamp and Die of the month. Now let's talk about our Crafty Courtyard kit for January. This is our monthly subscription kit. Inside you'll get this flyer that tells you everything that's in the kit. It shows you the color palette. Talks about our Facebook group where you can join and you can share your creations with everyone. It's always fun to see what everyone is creating with the kit. And on the back, I include some card sketches just to kind of jumpstart your creativity so you can get started creating with the items in your kit. As always, you get your mesh zippered project bag. Let's take a look at the card stock. It's beautiful colors this month. We have our 2 pieces of white. We have our Dress Shop hot pink. We have School Bus, just kind of in between an orange and yellow. We have the Park, which is a lime green. And then instead of the on the green cardstock, we're giving you the beautiful metallic piece of cardstock. So it's a nice metallic green, really pretty. Look at that shine. We've got our Riverwalk, which is a pretty turquoise blue, and our Barbershop blue, which is a nice true blue. So beautiful colors together to create with. You're going to get a pack of sequins. We've got some beautiful confetti sequins this month. Those are real sparkly and kind of iridescent with a shiny finish. You're going to get a full 6x6 paper pad. This is Year-Round Plaids 2. So if you've seen our Year-Round Plaids paper pad, this is another one to complement that. It's kind of some forgotten parts of the year that were in the first one. So we have some nice greens and yellows and oranges, which is perfect for St. Patrick's Day or anything in the spring. We've got some reds and greens here, which are good at Christmas time. The regular year-round plaids have more of a winter colors for that time of the year. We've got reds and blues and whites, perfect for the summer and 4th of July. And then we have beautiful pinks, reds, and teals, which are great for Valentine's Day. And of course, you can use these beyond those holidays. They make great additions to any of your cards all year round. I'll just go through the patterns here so you can see. I love plaids, so these are just great. I love making cards with plaid backgrounds. So you get 24 sheets that are double-sided, and there's 24 different patterns. So you get 2 of each design. Lots of these are great for masculine cards as well. And there we are, we're back at our greens. So that is the 6x6 paper pad. There is one item from the kit that I do not have yet, so it's going to be a surprise for you. So you get a little surprise. But it's these sticky gems, and they are beautifully colored rhinestones that match the kit, but they're sticky on the back, so you can easily adhere them to your cards and other projects. Here is our 6x6 stamp set. It's called Big Happy. It's so cute. It's a polka dot large word happy. It'll fit on an A2 size card perfectly. And then we've got some other phrases that you can put with it if you like. We've got Mother's Day, You Make Me, Father's Day, So Very, Birthday, For You, and Everything. So lots of different cards you can make with this for many occasions, and it's really fun. We also have the coordinating dies, so you can cut out the Big Happy, and you can use this die alone as well. It'll cut out the word happy, and you can just cut it out of any pattern or colored paper that you like. And then we've got the dies for all the coordinating sentiments that go with it. And I put in a couple little hearts as well. Also getting a large stencil this month. This is the Modern Plus stencil. So it's just a modern design with these little, I call them plus signs, all over. So we can make some fun backgrounds with that. And last but not least, you are getting one of our embossing powders. This is Sangria. So you are the first to get this. I'll just zoom in a bit so you can see the Sangria embossing powder a little better. We mix all of our embossing powders here in-house. I hope the camera picks up just how gorgeous this is. It's a beautiful burgundy, magenta, red wine colored embossing powder with lots of sparkly glitter inside that shines in different colors. So very pretty. It's a great embossing powder to add to your collection. So you get all that with our monthly subscription this month, and that is $34.99 base price, and then we add shipping on the price depending on where you're located. Now let's go over the foil subscription for January. You're going to get a full roll of our cheer foil in glitter peach. So it's a beautiful peach color, kind of a champagne rose gold that just looks like it has glitter all over it. So it sparkles and shines with different facets of color. It's really pretty. You get a full roll of that, and you're the first one to get that. This won't be available for purchase individually until later in the month. You're also going to get a package of our foilables, the panel size, which are A2 size. They fit on an A2 size card. And this is the Big Happy foilable panels. There's 4 different designs, and you're going to get 2 of each. I have 1 of each here because I'm going to show you what they look like foiled. We've got the Big Happy here kind of as the negative, so the foil will go around it, which is really cool. And then we have the other sentiments to go along with it, with the black going around it. So if you subscribe to the monthly subscription kit and you also get the foil subscription, this month your kits kind of coordinate. You can use this separately. If you just get the foil subscription, you can cut out these sentiments with your paper trimmer. Just cut them out as strips. But if you get the monthly subscription kit, the dies in that kit will cut out these sentiments, and it will also cut out the happy from the foilables. So they do kind of coordinate this month. We also have the happy printed in black toner on white, as well as those coordinating sentiments. So a little bit of variety there that you can create cards with. And I wanted to show you what they look like with the glitter peach foil. So I've foiled and don't forget to use your negative. Always save your negative foil and put it on a solid toner sheet, either black or colored. But here we have that peach with the sentiments. Like I said, you can cut these out into strips and put them on your card. So here the negative has the words taken out of it. We can add that to a solid toner sheet as well. But look how pretty they came out on that one. So those are the two options with the sentiments. You've got the solid black around the words, so they'll come out in white with the foil around them, or where they're printed black, you get the foiled words. And here is the foilable that has the word happy printed on it. How fun is that? Then you cut out one of the sentiments in the strip and you just put it across there. And again, you've got your negative foil that you can put onto a solid toner sheet. This next one is really fun. Okay, so this is the one that it's printed the black around the word happy. So you get the foil all around it. I really love that. And when you get the negative of the foil, you can put that word happy on any solid toner sheet. And I've put it on one of our bright ombre colored toner sheets. And I didn't peel this one away. I thought I'd do the magical peel and reveal here with you, so you could see just how fun it is. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Now my piece of toner sheet was bigger than my first card, so we used up all the foil there doing the negative. But look how gorgeous that is on that ombre background. It looks like an ink blended background. And all I have to do is trim this to card size and add it to the card. Lots of fun with these foilables. In addition to the roll of cheer foil and the card panel size foilables, you're also going to get a package of our foilable sheets. This is the Bold Backgrounds foilable sheets. So these are 8.5 by 5.5, and you get 8 different patterns. So you get one of each pattern, but each one you can cut down and make at least 2 cards from it. So the reason I call these bold backgrounds is because instead of the line work being printed with the toner, it's actually like the background of the pattern is printed with the toner. So the line work is going to show through in white when you add your foil to it. It's going to be really pretty. So just go through the patterns here. And these are great, just general backgrounds for any type of card that you could want to make. Those are the Bold Backgrounds foilable sheets. Thanks again for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at our January 2024 subscription products. You can find out more on our website, pinkandmane.com. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.